from a day job, running fast from the way it was.
Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are filming recreating fall Pinterest outfits. So we're officially bringing out the fall fits. I have about 4 or 5 outfits to recreate. Before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And let's just get straight into the video. Okay, starting with the first outfit, we're gonna pop it up on the screen. But this is the first outfit we're recreating today. As you can see, I'm already wearing the base of this first outfit. So I just have on a plain white long sleeve. This top is from H&M. And then we have on some plain gray joggers. My plain gray ones are actually from the men's section in Walmart, and these are a size medium. I actually love these sweatpants. I got them recently and I need to go back and get them in some other colors. But anyways, the main part of this outfit that she has on is her long green trench coat, which I love a good trench coat. So my substitute for her green wool trench coat will be this green fur trench coat that I actually got from Pretty Little Thing a couple years ago. Hers is definitely more of a brighter green. This one's more like an army green, like a dark olive, but it's just the fact that it's a long green coat and it still gives the outfit a little pop of color, and that's all that matters. I do actually also have the same purse that she's wearing. Mine is just the mini version. Hers is a big boy, but we're just gonna throw this on as a little crossbody over the jacket. Like cute or whatever. So another staple piece of her outfit is the New York fitted that she has on. Unfortunately, I do not own any hats, so just to substitute for the hat, we're just gonna throw some sunnies on over the head. I have these plain black sunglasses. These are just from Shein. Here's what they look like. We're gonna put them on top of the head just to add a little something to the outfit. And lastly, she is wearing some Yeezy foam runners with her outfit, which I do not own. So we're just gonna throw on some sneakers. I just put on my all white Air Forces to tie in the white from the top. I think that's the best option based on what I have to go with this outfit. So here's my final recreation of the look. I feel like this looks pretty good. I love a good elevated casual outfit. So still very casual, very comfortable with a little pops of bouginess. Just makes it look a little more put together. But I love this outfit. I'm definitely gonna be putting this outfit right back on for the fall winter season. I feel like majority of these outfits are gonna be like an elevated casual outfit. So I feel like that's my vibe. Very simple, but then there's that 1 or 2 pieces that'll give that little extra That's what I intend for my closet to be giving. So here's the base that I have on for this next outfit. We still have the plain white long sleeve. And then for the jeans, hers are more of a cargo jean, which I don't have cargo denim, but I do have these. They're little patchwork denim jeans, so I decided to go with these. These are from Zara, one of my favorites. They fit so nice. Love the patchwork, love the ankle, just real good. So for her outfit, she is wearing some Rick Owens. I do not have Rick Owens, but I do have some platform Converse. So this is the closest we're gonna get with what I currently have in my closet. So here's how we're looking with the Converse. But then once again, the little statement piece of the outfit is her jacket. So I do also have an aviator jacket. Mine is from Garage. I actually love this jacket, and once again, I feel like it's the perfect item to make a simple outfit a little less simple. So here's how we're looking so far. I feel like definitely pretty similar to how hers looked. So this is pretty much it for her outfit in the picture. She doesn't have a bag, she doesn't have any other accessories really. So pretty much this is the final look. Very cute, also something I definitely would wear and probably will wear honestly, but we love.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, I call me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it.
So next up, we have this outfit here. Once again, elevated casual. That's my vibe. You seeing the trend? You see it. You see it. So for this next outfit, here's my base. I have on these black flare pants. These are from H&M. I just got these recently and I love them. And I need to go back and get another pair. Maybe 2. Because the way I'm wearing these, my laundry is not filling up fast enough for me to be able to wash these as often as I want to wear them. But we also have on a plain black hoodie. This is from Fashion Nova. As you can tell from the photo, her hoodie is cropped. So we're just gonna roll this one and tuck it up to make ours cropped as well. The back doesn't look as good. but the back is not my business. You're not gonna see the back when I throw on my leather jacket. So this leather jacket is from H&M. I've yet to wear it, but this is my first time ever owning a leather jacket. I feel like usually I could just never find one that I actually like the fit of. And this one, it's not very structured. So I think that's why I like this one. But this is how we're looking. I just ran all the way downstairs to look for these shoes, and they were in my closet. Anyways, for her shoes, she's wearing all black. They look like Jordans. These are the only all black shoes that I own. These are triple black Vapor Max Flyknits. There we go. This is what it's looking like. I wasn't sure how these were going to turn out, but they look fine. You can't really see too much of the shoe because the pants pretty much cover them, which is perfect. Final part of the outfit is the bag. I have this black purse, which is probably going to be my new everyday purse. This is also from H&M. H&M has been stepping it up recently because so many of my items are from H&M now. I love it. Honestly, if you're not on Pinterest, you should probably head over to Pinterest because all these are real outfit ideas that I'm like 100% gonna wear on a normal day in my life. And it could be something that I just may have not pieced together in my head, but I love this. Here is the final outfit. Very simple, but once again, I look put together. Real cute. Okay, so moving on to the next outfit, and here is my base. I have on this cream and black striped tank top, which is from H&M. Pretty sure you guys are seeing a pattern in this video so far. And then I have on this little black pleated skirt, skater skirt. I feel like right now it's looking very summer, but I feel like by the end of the outfit, it'll look hopefully a little warmer. So again, in this picture, she is wearing a type of Rick Owens. I am gonna pull out the Converse once again for this outfit. And just to give a little illusion of the shoe being a little taller, we're gonna put some high socks on under it. I'm not gonna have them pulled up all the way or sticking out too far though. I'm just gonna keep it as like a little peekaboo. Here we are with the shoes and the socks. This would definitely be so much better if I actually had even just some plain black knee-high booties or anything. Unfortunately, I don't. I'm gonna get some eventually. But anyways, let's get to the jacket. So once again, I'm gonna be putting on this black and cream aviator jacket. Hers is all black, but I don't have an all black one. I feel like this would be better than going with just a plain leather jacket. I feel like this one makes it look more similar to the picture since it still has the fur on the jacket. And the cream in the jacket still goes with the cream in the top, so it still works. So to finish off the outfit, we're gonna be using this black purse once again. And here we are. This outfit is really cute. I feel very like dainty, cutesy. Would I actually wear this in the fall? Maybe. I feel like to make it more suitable for the colder weather, I would just put some stockings on under, just so that my legs are actually kept warm. Because like this, I'm gonna be cold. But as for the overall outfit, I think this is really cute. I love it. And this would be something that I wouldn't piece together by myself, but with the inspo and actually having it on, real cute. I don't understand why you blame me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the next outfit we're recreating. So for my base, it is definitely different from hers. She is wearing a sweatsuit, but a different style of sweatsuit. And hers is more of like a brown kind of color. I don't have any sweatsuits that color, so we're gonna recreate this outfit, but instead of using the bunch of browns and tans that she has in her outfit, we're gonna just switch it over to grays, because I feel like I have more of that. So we're gonna recreate her same outfit, but using grays instead. Okay? So I have on this gray sweatsuit, which is from Walmart. Both pieces are from the men's section, if you're wondering. So for her outfit, she's wearing a pair of like the basic caramel brown Uggs. I don't even own Uggs actually, these are my sister's, but we're gonna go black for this outfit. I don't even know how I feel about Uggs. I feel like sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. So I've never committed to actually buying my own pair before. I don't know. But now once again, we're gonna throw on this leather jacket. I actually like how this looks with the sweatsuit. I like this. I like it. I do have brown sunglasses, but once again, since we're going with more of a gray and black theme for my version of the outfit, we're gonna just throw on some black sunglasses. A big statement piece in her outfit is that big scarf that she has. Once again, I have one that goes along with my theme. This big gray like blanket scarf. I feel like this just makes me feel a little more bougie. Like, I don't know, but I'm liking the scarf vibe. And lastly, for her bag, she has a big black Chanel on her shoulder. I'm just gonna pull this bag out once again. I turned it into a shoulder bag because once again, it does have the adjustable strap. And here's the final look. Again, I feel like this started off as such a simple outfit, just a basic tracksuit, and turned into something real cute, such as this. And this just goes to show that how you accessorize an outfit is what can take you from 0 to 10. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this one. Let me know if you want me to do more recreating Pinterest outfits or anything of that sort. Honestly, I feel like I did pretty good with these recreations, not gonna lie. If you agree, make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know your favorite recreation or your favorite outfit. Before you go, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys next Friday with another new video. Bye!